Hello students, welcome to the lecture of signals and system. The topic for the lecture is a convolution of integral continuous time. This is the content of the today's lecture. First, we discuss the summary of the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we have solved the examples of the evolution of continuous time convolution integral. In that example, we have discussed the RC circuit. What is the response of the system when we provide the pulse to the RC circuit. Then we have discussed the communication problem, that is the radar range measurement, where we have discussed the complete example of the radar range measurement, starting from transmitting the signals, then propagation model impulse response of the radar range measurement, and then after receiving the signal received from the object, passing through the another LTI system, which we define the match filter. So in that example, we have used a convolution to determine the round trip delay, and based on observing the output waveform, we can estimate the total time, and then we can compute the distance of the object from the radar. Okay, so in today's lecture we have discussed some of the properties of the convolution. So mainly we have discussed the in today's lecture commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. All these properties we have will derive the give the proof of all the properties, and how we can use this property to find out the convolution of the given problem statement. Then we can also do some interconnection of the LTI system. So basically there is a parallel and cascade connection of the LTI systems. So basically in a parallel, if two systems connected in parallel, basically overall impulse response is the sum of the two LTI systems. And when the two systems connected in cascade, basically the overall impulse response of the two cascade system is nothing but the convolution between the two LTI systems. Right, so we'll discuss detail the interconnection of the LTI systems and all the proofs related to the properties. So that is the agendas of the today's lecture. So that's all for the this SS session. So thank you very much for all the students. Thank you.